Hey, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. This week, our question came in from Carol, and here's what Carol had to say. Hey Anissa, I was looking for some advice on how we can get our clients to give us reviews online. We asked them and they are so happy with us, ecstatic with our service, raving fans, as you call them, and they say that they will go online and give us a review, but then for whatever reason, they don't. Any suggestions or help you can give is much appreciated. Thank you for your weekly videos. We just love them. Well, thank you, Carol, very much for sending in that question. And the answer is stop relying on your clients to go online and give you the reviews. You have to orchestrate it. If you want a testimonial, which is what I like to call them instead of reviews, for your client to do online, then you have to make it happen. Are you making it easy for your clients to give you reviews online or your testimonials? For instance, if you want a client to go to Yelp, then you should have an iPad right there handy that when you are completing your services and actually ask them if they'll go on and give you a Yelp review or Google review, and they'll say, sure, you are amazing, you're awesome, I will absolutely do that. You should be able to take that iPad, then turn it around, hand it to them and say, well, would it be a good time if you could do that right now? Like, don't be obnoxious about it, but make it easy for them. Too many times what I see companies do is they'll ask their client to give them a review and they'll say, hey, would you just, do me a favor and go online this evening or this afternoon and tell Google and the world how wonderful and Yelp how wonderful we are. Well, that's number one, pretty vague. And that's actually not convenient for your client. Right in the moment when someone is singing your praises, you need to make it available for them to do the testimonial or the review right then. And better yet than asking them to go on Google or Yelp to give you a review, I want you to have a cell phone handy or camera, whichever is easiest for you, or you can do it on your iPad. But when your client is singing your praises, you need to say something like this immediately and be prepared. Thank you so much. I'm ecstatic that you have gotten such value out of using our company and our services. Would you mind if I just capture that really quick on like a 30-second, 1-minute video? Would you mind telling other people if they asked you what value you got out of using our company or who they should use to clean up your fire job, water damage, whatever that is? What would you say to them? Would you mind if I just recorded that real quick and I was able to use that as a testimonial? I've only had one person in 20 years tell me that they were uncomfortable with that. Everyone immediately says, oh, sure, absolutely. And then just pull up your camera and be ready to go. And for those that are camera shy, make sure you've got a script ready. That just a couple of questions that you can ask them, and then they can answer that on camera and give it to you immediately. The reason I love this better than Google reviews or Yelp reviews is because you have control of that. You then can put that on your website. You can put that on your Facebook page. You can put that on your company's YouTube. And then you have control of that testimonial or review. So that's how you get them. The majority of the time, what I see companies doing is they're not making it brain dead, super simple, easy for their clients to give them a raving testimonial feedback or review. So take all of that away. Our clients are busy. Life is crazy now more so than ever, seems like, and they don't need one more thing on their plate. They may love you and their intent is to give you that review or that testimonial, and they really do want to recommend and refer you. But you've got to take all of the work out of it for your clients, okay? All right, well, Carol, I hope that answered your question. Thank you so much for sending them to me. You guys know the drill. Subscribe to rnrmagonline.com. Be sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel as well, Firehouse Education, and send me those questions, Anissa@firehouseeducation.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.